Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Smart English Talk, the place where learning English feels easy, natural, and fun. I'm Emma.
And I'm James. Hello, everyone. It's always good to see you here again. How are you today, Emma? You look bright and full of energy.
Thank you, James. I had my coffee, so yes, I feel good. But you know what? Some days I don't feel like this. Sometimes I'm just tired.
Oh, yes, I know that feeling. You open your laptop, look at your work, and your brain says, nope, not today.
Exactly. And that's why today's topic is perfect. We're talking about this powerful sentence. Don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done.
Wow, that one hits deep. It sounds simple, but it's strong, right?
Yes, it's short, but it's full of meaning. Today, we'll explain it in easy English. You'll learn what it means, how to use it in your life, and how this one line can help you keep going even when you want to give up.
So, if you've ever said, I can't study anymore, or I'll do it tomorrow, this episode is for you.
We'll talk about English study, gym time, work, exams, and how you can stay strong till the finish line.
That's right. So sit back, relax, and listen. Or maybe, if you're walking or cleaning, keep going while listening. Because, remember, we don't stop when we're tired.
We stop when we're done.
Okay, Emma, let's start from the very beginning. What does the sentence really mean? All right, so let's break it down. This sentence sounds strong, but let's understand it in simple English.
Yes, the first part says, don't stop when you're tired. Now, what does tired mean?
Tired means you have no energy. Your body says, I want to rest. Your mind says, I can't do more.
Right. We feel tired when we study too much, work too long, or even think too hard.
Exactly. And the second part says, stop when you're done. That means finish what you started.
Yes, done means finished. Like, I am done with my homework. I am done cleaning my room. It means the job is complete.
So this quote tells us something powerful. Don't stop just because you feel tired. Stop only when the work is finished.
It's like when you're running and your legs say, please stop, but your heart says, just one more step.
Exactly. Sometimes your body feels tired before your goal is complete. That's when this line helps. It reminds you to push a little more.
Yes, because many people stop too early. They stop in the middle, and then they never see the result.
That's true. Think about it. If you stop when you're tired, you just stay tired. But if you keep going until you're done, you feel proud.
Oh, that's a great line, James. Let's say that again slowly for our listeners. If you stop when you're tired, you stay tired. But if you stop when you're done, you feel proud.
Beautiful. And this doesn't mean you can't rest. It means finish your goal first, then rest with a smile.
Yes, don't quit in the middle. Take a short break if you need to, but keep your eyes on the goal.
Exactly, because success doesn't come from comfort. It comes from completion.
And we'll show you how this idea works in real life with simple, real examples.
Yes, let's start with the first one, learning English.
Okay, James, let's start with something all our listeners understand. Learning English.
Ah, yes, that's a good one. Learning English can be fun, but let's be honest, sometimes it's really tiring.
Exactly. You sit with your notebook, open your book or YouTube video, and after 20 minutes, your brain starts saying, please, no more English today.
I've been there too. You look at one sentence for 5 minutes and think, why is grammar so difficult?
Yes, and that's the moment when most people stop. They close the book and say, I'll study tomorrow.
But tomorrow becomes next week, and next week becomes next month.
Exactly. And that's why this quote is important. Don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done.
So, what can we do when studying feels boring or difficult? Let's make it simple. Small goals.
Oh, yes, small goals really help. For example, learn 3 new words today. Watch 1 short video in English. Practice for 10 minutes.
That's it. You don't have to study for hours. Just do something small, but finish it.
Right. And when you finish that small goal, you can say, I'm done for today. And it feels great.
Yes, because you didn't stop when you were tired. You stopped when you were done.
Exactly. You see, your brain gets happy when you complete something. It gives you a little feeling of success.
That's true. It's like giving your brain a high five.
Yes, a high five inside your head.
And this small success builds a big habit. When you finish one small goal, your brain says, hey, that felt good. Let's do it again tomorrow.
Yes, that's how progress happens, step by step, not all at once.
Exactly. Many people say, I want to speak English fluently. That's a big dream, but start small.
1 lesson, 1 new word, 1 short conversation. That's enough for today.
And remember, tired and proud feels better than tired and guilty.
That's so true. Let's say it again for our listeners. Tired and proud feels better than tired and guilty.
Yes. So next time you feel tired while studying, just tell yourself, I'll stop after I finish this goal.
And when you finish, celebrate. Smile, listen to music, or give yourself a small treat.
Exactly. Because success is not about speed. It's about finishing.
Yes, 1 small finish today brings you closer to your big dream tomorrow.
Beautifully said, Emma. All right, that was our first example. I think our listeners can really relate to that.
I agree. But now let's move to another area where people always feel tired. The gym.
Oh no, the gym! Okay, let's go there.
Okay, Emma, now let's talk about a place where everyone feels tired, the gym.
Oh, yes, the gym. Every time I walk into the gym, I feel motivated for about 10 minutes.
10 minutes? That's generous. For me, it's more like 3 minutes.
I know. At first, you feel like a superhero. You say, yes, I will work hard today. Then, after a few push-ups, oh no, maybe I'll just stretch a little.
Exactly. And then your brain says, you worked hard yesterday. You can rest today.
Yes, that's the voice of comfort. The voice that wants the sofa instead of the squat.
The sofa always wins if we listen to that voice.
But remember, the sofa is not the goal. The goal is to be strong, healthy, and confident.
Exactly. The gym is a perfect example of this quote. You don't stop when you're tired, because in the gym, you will get tired.
Yes, everyone gets tired in the gym, even the strong people. But the difference is they keep going until they're done.
Right. Let's imagine a simple example. You say, I will run for 20 minutes today.
Okay, 20 minutes. You start running. The first 5 minutes are easy. You feel amazing.
At minute 10, you start to sweat. At minute 15, your legs say, please stop.
Yes, and the chair in your head says, come sit down, James.
Exactly. But this is the important moment. You are tired, but not done.
Yes, this is the moment where strong people are made.
Beautiful. At that moment, you can choose. Stop because you're tired or keep going until you finish the 20 minutes.
And when you finish, when you hit 20 minutes, it feels incredible. You're sweating, your heart is fast, but your smile is huge.
Yes, you feel proud. You say, I did it. That's tired and proud again.
Exactly. And here's the magic part. The next time you go to the gym, it's easier.
Yeah, your body remembers success. It remembers the done feeling.
Done feeling. I love that. Done feeling means I finished my goal.
Right. So how can we make this easier? Like before, we use the same 3 secrets. Remember your goal, make small steps, give yourself a prize after.
Yes, let's use that here. Goal, I want to be healthy and strong. Small step, 20 minutes of walking or 10 push-ups. Prize, maybe a smoothie after.
Ah, smoothie, the best reward.
Yes, it helps your brain say, okay, finish this, then smoothie.
That's right, our brain loves rewards. It wants something good at the end of the hard work.
And that's how you trick your brain to keep going. You say, I will rest after I'm done, not before.
Exactly, because rest before finishing feels lazy, but rest after finishing feels like victory.
Victory, that's a great word. Every small workout is a small victory.
Yes, you don't need to be perfect, you just need to be done.
Exactly. Perfection is not the goal, completion is the goal.
And every time you complete a workout, you build your confidence.
Confidence is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes.
That's powerful, Emma. I love that.
Thank you. So, listeners, remember this when you want to stop early in your workout. Take one deep breath, remind yourself of your goal, and say, not yet. I'll stop when I'm done.
Perfect. That one thought can change everything in the gym, at work, or even in your studies.
Yes. And speaking of work, should we move to our next example?
Oh yes, the office, another place where people always feel tired.
Oh, yes.
Let's do it. All right, James, we've talked about studying English and the gym, but now let's go somewhere everyone knows, the office.
Oh, yes. The land of emails, coffee, and deadlines.
Exactly. Every morning starts with good morning and ends with I'm so tired.
Yes, the office is full of tired people. But the funny thing is, most of us aren't tired from work. We're tired from stress.
That's true. Stress makes us feel tired before we even start working.
Exactly. And that's where this quote helps. Don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done.
Right. Let's imagine a simple story. There's a woman named Sarah. She works in an office and has a big report to finish by the end of the day.
Okay. Sarah starts at 9 a.m. full of energy. By 11 a.m., she's answered 10 emails, helped her boss, and she's already tired.
Yes. Her brain says, take a break. You deserve it. And of course, she opens social media.
Oh, yes, the black hole of distraction. 5 minutes becomes 30 minutes.
Exactly. And when she comes back, she's still tired, but now she's behind schedule too.
Right. So what should Sarah do instead?
Well, she can use the same 3 rules we talked about. Remember the goal. I want to finish this report today. Make small steps. I'll write just 1 page right now. And give a prize. When I finish this page, I'll take a 5-minute walk.
Yes, that's perfect. And when Sarah finishes that small page, she feels better, not because she's less tired, but because she's closer to done.
Exactly. Progress gives you energy. You think you need rest, but often you need progress.
That's a powerful idea, Emma. You don't need rest, you need progress.
Yes, because when you make progress, your brain says, hey, we're doing it. We're winning.
It's like momentum. Once you start moving, it's easier to keep going.
Right. But if you stop every time you feel tired, you lose that momentum.
Right. It's like stopping a car in traffic again and again. You waste more energy restarting.
Yes, keep rolling, even if it's slow. That's how you reach done.
And at the end of the day, when Sarah sends that report, she feels proud.
Proud and free. She can relax knowing she finished what she started.
Yes, that's the feeling we all want. Not the tired and guilty feeling, but the tired and proud one.
Tired and proud. That's becoming my new motto.
Mine too. You know, Emma, I think everyone listening has felt like Sarah.
Oh yes. Whether you work in an office, at home, or in school, we all face the same fight. The fight between I'm tired and I'm not done.
Yes. And every time you choose done over tired, you grow a little stronger.
Exactly. That strength doesn't just help you at work, it helps in life.
Yes, because the habit of finishing builds confidence. You start to believe, I can do hard things.
That's beautiful, James. And it also teaches you self-respect.
Oh, yes. Self-respect is when you keep your own promises.
Exactly. When you say, I'll finish this today, and you actually finish, you build trust with yourself.
And that's how successful people live. They keep promises even when it's not easy.
Yes, because being tired is normal, but stopping early every time, that becomes a habit too. A bad one.
And good habits and bad habits are both built the same way, by repetition.
Yes, so we might as well repeat the good ones.
True. Choose your habits wisely, one done at a time.
Perfect. Okay, I think our listeners now have 3 great examples: study, gym, and work.
Yes, and all of them show the same message. Tired is temporary, but done is forever.
Wow, that's a quote right there. Tired is temporary, but done is forever.
Thank you, thank you. Write it down, everyone.
Yes. So, are we ready for our next and final part, the reflection and motivation section?
Let's do it. Let's wrap everything together and give our listeners a final energy boost.